How to install a angle stop cutoff beneath the bathroom sink, which in turn feeds the braided hose, which in turn feeds the bathroom faucet, both the hot and the cold, two separate entities. One for the hot, you will need one for the hot, one for the cold. This particular cutoff is called an angle. So if your pipe comes out of the wall horizontally, you may need a angle stop. This will prevent the braided hose from getting crimped up. So it would be a 3/8 by 1/2. 1/2 shark bite on this side. Not all are shark bite, however. So, but 3/8 male thread here, 3/8 female thread here. The cutoff is perhaps, not exactly certain, but it should be a quarter of a turn, and that would terminate your water. So that would allow you to work on the bathroom sink and everything else in the house be live. Otherwise, if you do not have this cutoff for the hot and the cold, you may have to go to the street and use your plumber's key to turn the water meter off, which in turn turns the entire house off. So always, in my opinion, it's good to always have a cutoff for both the hot and the cold. But this one again is 1/2 shark bite push fitting here, 3/8 male thread, which feeds a 3/8 female thread, which in turn goes up and feeds maybe 1/2 inch to the faucet. The cutoff is here. So again, you'll need one for the cold, one for the hot. The question is, could one use this cutoff with other types of pipes besides PEX pipe? The answer to that is yes. So this particular pipe could be, this angle stop could be used with PEX, both blue and red. It can also be used with copper, and it can also be used with CPVC. So again, for the angle stop, it would be good if the supply pipe comes out of the wall. So behind the wall, this would feed through maybe a hole in the 2x4 and go underneath the house. This would come out and protrude out here. So now cutting this, we'll cover that in another video if this is copper pipe and then they've left a lot of slag and kind of did a sloppy job and did not leave you much room between here and the wall. So that takes a skilled plumber to pull that off. And even a skilled plumber, it can be a job to the nth degree. So again, just to rehash, 1/2 inch, 3/8 male, 3/8 female, braided hose feeds the bathroom sink, 1/4 turn should cut the water off. You will need quantity 2, one for the cold, one for the hot, and then you will be able to turn it off, work on your sink, change your faucet out, etc. So again, it would be great to have. Well, it's you need 2 of these, and so basically, and again, this is a shark bite and a push fitting. So, and again, as you see, this is a male thread here. This is a female thread. With this, as long as there's a black bushing in here, there's no use to put Teflon. It may not hurt if you wrapped it one time, but it's not necessary as long as that black bushing. Now, if that black bushing's missing, even if you wrap it with Teflon, it may still leak. So, but the black bushings are made into the braided hoses. And these braided hoses are quality material versus some of the older there's a myriad of different products out there, but these are good quality. So this would be 3/8. On the other end, it would be normally a 1/2. So the 3/8 screws here. You want to kill the water, turn this a quarter of a turn. And one caveat, when doing this the first time, this ball valve sometimes is kind of tight. So hold this part maybe with your left hand if you're right-handed, kind of firmly, and turn this to the off and on position a couple times. Be gingerly when doing so, because on the first time it can kind of give you